Hi, I'm Patty Hosmer, and I showed you how to make a blanket without sewing earlier. And when you cut it out, you had these rectangles. Oh, they're supposed to be squares, but anyways, I had extra materials. I'm going to show you how to make a mask out of the materials, since now we always have to have a mask. So you just take one of your pattern, or however you want it, if you want it plain, okay? And I kind of just fold it on both ends, okay? And then just cut, so you can see, cut after you fold it, just a little triangle so that we can push some of the cloth between it, okay? And I do that on both sides. Just have some space between it, okay? This is a way of using all the stuff you bought for the blanket, okay? And I had extra material too that I cut across, so you might want to leave a little bit extra so that you can have the string to pull through for the masks. And this material for the blankets is really stretchy. So anyways, I'll just show you this one side and then just pull it through. Okay, that would be like the top of your mask. Okay, and just keep stretching it so it's long enough. I'll show you the one I did. And then you'll do the same for the bottom, okay? So basically it would cover here, okay? I'm sorry, above your nose, okay? Alright, so I'm going to show you the one that I kept playing with the string so that it would be long enough. And of course I'm going to have to pull it down because it's in my eye right now. But anyways, you get the idea. Okay, and then this way, it didn't even cost you anything. You were going to throw this out. What were you going to use that for? Okay, and then you're going to make more of them, you know, you have like 8 of them. So, if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.